In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up fast here in Marathon. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to level up quickly, what you need to do is focus on grinding priority contracts here in this game. They give by far the most XP and faction reputation, which helps unlock such powerful armory upgrades and permanent loot that boost your overall progress. At the start of each one of these runs, you're going to need to make sure that you use sponsor kits to maximize your rewards, and then jump into a match and complete at least one contract as quickly as possible. After finishing it, you can extract safely to keep your progress and your XP, but while you're in that match, go ahead and take down as many AI enemies and rival runners for additional XP. As soon as you extract, sell your gear that you don't need to earn credits, and then use those credits to upgrade your faction skills. I'd say a pretty good strategy is investing in vault speed and loot boost first, and then move into upgrades that improve mobility and weapon performance. If possible at all, try and squad up with other players. Running with a team obviously makes contracts a lot easier and will help you survive a lot longer. Also, make sure that you do complete the Codex challenges daily, since they do provide extra XP and rewards. And also server hop for fresh lobbies, letting you complete objectives a lot faster. As long as you follow these steps, you'll reach level 30 a lot faster and progress through the game a lot quicker. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.